What do you reckon, Mousey? How far out are we from Summernats?
2 days.
2 days. It starts today and we're welding exhaust on the car.
I know,
Hey?
mate. Thank you.
So the 2026 Summernats wrap up, I guess. Just threw in some videos there, welding exhaust on at 4 o'clock on Wednesday, the 7th. So Summernats already started, and we were still trying to get a few things sorted. We tuned the car the night before we only got it tuned on 98, didn't get it on methanol. Yeah, a few issues overall for the whole weekend, but melted a wire on the starter motor on the CV8 and lost third gear on the VL during the we're doing a test skid on Skid Row, so ended up only having 3 gears, first, second and fourth for the burnout. So the burnouts for the VL is not that impressive, and the one for the CV8 isn't much better, to be honest. But anyway, so there is some content as well from Kandos. The CV8 didn't end up going to Kandos, so we gave the ticket to another mate of mine. He's got a V6 manual BS ute, so there's a few videos in there of that. Basically, as soon as Summernats finished on Sunday, I ended up driving up to work. So I'm videoing out of a tiny little mining camp room in Queensland. So I've been away for 3 weeks. And the boys obviously did everything they had to get to Kandos with the other two cars. So yeah, we'll jump back on somewhere else through in this video and do another recording, just to give you an update of everything that's been happening. Blake made it to Summernats burnout pad before I've ever been on the car.
Gonna drive off it yet?
Yeah, so it wasn't a very successful campaign, I suppose, for Summernats. The CV8, whether or not it was pulling timing on intake air temperature, we're not sure, but it's obviously the AFRs aren't happy and it's gone into some type of safety mode. So anyway, after Summernats, packed everything up, got home, I'm back at work, and the boys put a new gearbox in the VL marketplace, 4L60, obviously well renowned for losing one, if not all, gears and having multiple neutrals. So throwing another 4L60 in the VL, we have some more dramas at Kandos. Basically things that happen when you're rushing a build and then you've got a week between events. So anyway, we'll throw some more videos in, photos basically of what happened at Summernats. What happened at Kandos. Ultimately, we had a single fuel filter in the VL. It's a 30 micron filter, and it's just blocked up literally as he's gone to tip it in with the VL. So we changed that. We did melt a shifter cable. So when things happen, they happen in multiples, not just one. Yeah, we hit the grass events, and then on Sunday we did the most burnouts in 30, most donuts in 30 seconds, and the VL's never run better. So probably better than it was running at Summernats, to be honest. So going forward on that, we will do the E85 tune on the VL, put in two fuel filters, leave the 30 micron up to the fuel rail, and then probably just put a 50 in between the lift pump and the surge tank. I'm probably going to mount the lift pump underneath now, get rid of the exhaust and run side pipes, so there won't be any heat in the back of that. because the exhaust seemed to be heating up the fuel tank a little bit.
And in the mornings, I'll tell you.
The lowest of
What are you feeling the butter for, butter boys?
Ever been shanked before?
Oh, you text her?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, dudes.
Yeah, I know. You didn't even get the price yet. Fucking hot out here.
that's a wrap up for Summernats 2026 and Kandos. Trying to finish 2 cars. We had the tickets to go to the event, so we were planning on taking the 2 cars anyway. So both of them were not where they needed to be, but we went forward with that anyway. So yeah, we'll get the CV8 tuned on methanol, and then any of the small dramas that we had with the VL, we'll get them sorted. We're going to head to Tamworth Tyre Torture, I believe, will be the next event. So yeah, some downfalls on our part, just with maintenance and small things that have just caused issues. But yeah, a couple of events back to back pretty much without enough time to get everything done that we had to get done. So anyway, well, I think I hinted to it in another video, but we're going to have a new setup for the cars and the program going forward. So hopefully we can get away from some of these small issues. But anyway, that'll be on the next video. So I think it's the 28th now. I'll be back on the 5th, and we'll probably do a new video on that. So look out for the next video. Obviously, we've had a fair few increases in sales on the website between Summernats and Kandos. A lot more guys are following the YouTube channel, so get on there and support us. Like, share, comment, do all those things that help build our business. And yeah, thanks.